And one of the first things they're going to see is when they join brand spanking new, they're going to get instructions on how to add the apps to their dashboard. So you want to make sure that you're letting your people know that they can customize their own dashboard with whatever programs they want, and they can make their own dashboard unique to them. That is critical that they understand that, because it is a very, very unique feature of Builderall. And quite frankly, in my opinion, one of the top features in Builderall. There's so many things that are so good about Builderall, but to me, this customization of the dashboard is absolutely fabulous. Now, we need to know that to get back to this page quickly, all they have to do is click this little squid at the top. And if you click that squid, it's going to take you right back to the main page dashboard, the home page for the dashboard. A lot of people don't know that, and it's so easy to go up to the top and click here. You can also click home. Those are the two best ways to get to the main home page of the dashboard. And then customize your dashboard to make sure that you have the exact apps that you want. Then, of course, training. And training is a fabulous area to get really good training on different areas of Builderall. But I'm going to show you the #1 training that you need to be giving your team. So I'm going to click training, and we're going to go into the training area. And then from the training, there's actually Build a Website and Pixel Perfect. This is the one you want to get them started in. It's going to go all the way through the Pixel Perfect, and it's going to give them great information about how to get started with that Pixel Perfect. And it gives them a foundation so that if they want to build anything else, they understand how this top navigation bar works, how the banners work, how we do site content, and how we fill out contact forms, how we can manage the footer, how we can adjust for the mobile view, and how do we publish and connect a domain, and then how do we optimize for SEO. These are all standard things that are the most basic things that everybody needs to know when they're working in Pixel Perfect. So you want to encourage people in that first email you send out to them, even the 7-day free trials, to jump into this area and go all the way through this training so they can understand the basics of Pixel Perfect.